Hello there. The run-up to Christmas will be very much dominated in the weather world by Storm Barbara and potentially the impacts from that. But overnight Friday into the start of Christmas Eve, Storm Barbara will be clearing away. Although behind it for the rest of the weekend will still stay very windy indeed. We'll see some milder air moving in late Christmas Eve, overnight into Christmas Day. So a mild start, although it will turn colder by the end of Christmas Day. So for some of us, there will be a white Christmas. But let's take a look at Storm Barbara then. This is the start of things into the Christmas weekend. Friday night into Saturday, Storm Barbara clears away, but still a real squeeze on the isobars. Still got some showers feeding into northern parts as well. So it means we will still be windy, and actually those showers to start us on Christmas Eve morning will be falling as snow over higher ground. But increasingly as the day wears on, a lot of dry weather towards southern parts. We see some milder air working its way in, but also a warm front. So it turns drizzly towards Northern Ireland, towards Scotland, into northern parts of England and potentially northern parts of Wales by the end of your Christmas Eve. Elsewhere, it will be windy but dry with a bit of sunshine towards southern parts for a time. But as that warm front makes its way in, it will start to introduce more in the way of cloud. And as I say, some slightly milder air as well. Temperatures through the day at best will be up in the high single figures, if not the low double figures. But it looks like for Father Christmas, we'll keep the temperatures like that. So that's how we start first thing on Christmas Day. By then, a lot of dry weather around, still pretty cloudy though and breezy. And then later on, as we go through the second half of Christmas Day, we see a weather front making its way in from the north and west. And this time, this will introduce some colder air. But before that happens, you can see those temperatures. Look at them, the low teens, the mid-teens in some places, potentially a couple of places could see their warmest Christmas Day on record. We'll keep you posted on that one. But what happens is, as we go through the second half of the evening, we see the cold front just sinking its way southwards, introducing some colder air in from the north and west, and you can see the impact that has towards parts of Scotland, potentially the hills of Northern Ireland. It means we will start to see showers turning to snow. For some of us then, there will have been a white Christmas by the end of the day, and we'll keep you updated on the Met Office website.